Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Sign in with the same Apple ID on both devices to enable iCloud Notes. Open Settings on your iPhone and tap your name at the top. Tap iCloud and scroll to Find Notes, then toggle it on so it shows green. Repeat the exact steps on your iPad while signed into the same Apple ID. Remember that iCloud includes 5 GB free storage that will hold your synced notes until you upgrade your plan. Confirm the Notes app lists iCloud as the default account to complete syncing setup. Open the Notes app and go to Settings within the app to set iCloud as the default account. This ensures new notes saved to iCloud instead of on my iPhone or another account. Both devices should be connected to Wi-Fi or have cellular data enabled for iCloud Sync to upload changes. Check that both devices run compatible iOS versions, for example, iOS 16 or iOS 17, to avoid feature mismatches. If you use folders, verify the folder shows the cloud icon, indicating if notes do not appear, sign out of iCloud on both devices and sign back in to force a fresh sync. Restart each device after signing back in to clear any temporary sync errors. You can use AirDrop to transfer individual notes quickly. Open a note, tap Share, and choose the other device. Export notes to files or email them as a backup before making major changes. Upgrade iCloud to a larger plan, such as 50 GB, if you need more storage to keep all notes synced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.